Hello, welcome to EngineerComic. Free your imagination. Today we will continue our previous project that we have made the block engine. It is progress. Now we will continue all of it to make it so perfect as the block engine. Okay, how we do this? We starting click rotate, zoom, rotate or pen, and we click this plane. Okay, click this. We make the line from the plane that we clicked before and make the center line. Oh, I mean, this is the line as usual. And we change it as the center line. Okay, then we move it to the right side. And also I wanted to make the distance of this line from this line. We make it 20.7 millimeter as the distance of it. Click this two line and change it as 20.70. And next we click this one. Click insert features. Move our object and clicks rotate, click the rotate and click the plane that that we have and make the angle of it. Fill the angle 180 degree and our workpiece become like this. We rotate and see around these things. Okay, it's nice. I wanted to add this one. Maybe I wanted to add a little thickness from this. Okay. We click extrude white. We click this and sketch. We'll convert to entities and then we add the thickness with the extrude bus and make it as the face of it. Up to surface and click this and then we got this. We make it in another line, in another side. Rotate and click this. We will do the same thing like like before. 22 and extra glass up the surface, up the surface. Okay, next. Sorry, just a little bit. Okay, we got this. It's like a perfect box engine. Yeah. Next, we click the right plane and we use the paint to make a hole from this block. I mean, it is like uh, a gap of it. We click offset and make it uh, inside of it. Okay, we got this line. What we will do next, it is like this. Adding the line, we fix the line that it feels like um, there are some error from this. We add the dimension of it and 5 millimeter. Okay guys, this is the end of this video. Please like and subscribe and wait for the next content. Thank you very much and Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and bye bye.